Gravaman, and I have here my sister.
Hi guys, my name is Teacher Ses. So I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education at Palawan State University Rojas Campus, batch 2018, and I'm currently working at Life College. I'm teaching kindergarten.
So today, Mom, I'm gonna ask you some basic information about yourself, about his birthplace, his parents, and execution of yourself. Do you have any ideas about his life?
Yes, so I have here a stack knowledge about Rizal because we have studied Rizal when I was college. So we have a specific subject or unit for Rizal. So Rizal was born on June 19, 1861, and he lived at Calamba, Laguna in an ancestral house. So and he was executed and died on December 30, 1896.
So, may alam po ba kayong other information about yourself other than that?
Yeah, so aside from Rizal is a son of Teodoro Alonso and Francisco Mercado. So as the main or knowledge that I am remembering about Rizal is that he is called a polyglot because he can speak and write more than 20 languages. So as we can see naman, di ba, Rizal has a lot of mga naisulat kung saan naging key kung paano tayo nagkaroon ng kalayaan. So it's a great or it has a lot of ano ba to, malaking tulong sa mga Pilipino yung mga isinulat ni Rizal because dahil doon namulat tayo and we learn how to fight and claim our freedom from the Spaniards.
So, how did you know all of that information po about yourself?
Well, we studied Rizal, as I mentioned earlier. So, we studied Rizal during college. So, dun namin talagang um, napag-aralan ng mas malalim yung tungkol kay Rizal. Not just like the basic information about Rizal, but about his works, about his past, about his family. And also, may mga prior knowledge na rin tayo about Rizal because we studied this during elementary when we have our Hekasi. So, di ba kasama doon yung mga national heroes. So, yun yung mga knowledge na ibigay sa akin when I was studying. So, lumalim lang siya when I was college. And also, guys, I have a trivia. It's not really a trivia, but do you know what's Rizal's dog's name? It's Uzman. So I really remember this one because kasama siya sa aming exam, lumabas siya sa exam, and lucky that during our Rizal subject in college, yung professor namin is nabanggit kung anong pangalan ng aso niya. So kaya guys, yung mga small details, you have to remember it because soon or later, lalabas po yun sa exam. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Mom. Very appreciated po yung sagot sa mga tanong.
Thank you then. Bye po.